Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about same sort of airdrop which we have seen recently, okay, in my channel. If you haven't watched this video, watch this video guys, and try to do the testnet test soon so that you won't miss this airdrop. And in this video what we are going to see is like same kind of airdrop, only it's very easy to climb, and this airdrop is also having the potential of getting up to $1,000, okay. So these kind of testnet airdrops and mainnet airdrops and all, it's like recently getting famous, and don't miss out these kind of airdrops, okay. So let's see how to climb this airdrop. Before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and continue watching it guys. So we're going to see about this ZetaChain only. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys step by step process how you can do the testnet things in order to be the early supporter for the project, okay, so that if they are providing airdrop you might get it, okay. So let's see how it's getting done. For that we need lot of links, okay. For example, this chain links, we need this faucet and metamask link and their discord and their so many links, okay. So where you can find all these links, I'll be leaving all these links inside my telegram channel, okay. So I'll just click on the link so that it will take you to my telegram channel, and if you haven't followed me here, make sure to follow me here. And this one is like previous airdrop, okay. So here if you want to do that also you can do it, okay, it's up to you. So I'll leave all the link inside my telegram channel guys. With that being said, come on guys, let's see the first step. What we have to do is like, and before that let me tell you about their project, okay. Their project is basically the blockchain for multi-chain future, okay. So for example, in case if you all know what is bridge, okay. So for bridge we have to use the platforms bridge, okay. So this project is mainly for the all the bridges, okay. So it will connect all the bridge, something like that. So that is the main goal of this project, okay. So first of all what we have to do is like first we need to add a Polygon network, okay. So if you don't know what is chain list, it's like one of the network platform where you can add all the mainnet or testnet easily, okay. So first we need to add Polygon matic, okay. So just add Polygon network to your metamask, okay. If you just click, metamask will open. So Polygon matic mainnet got added here, okay. So it's that simple. First we have to add it, and so after I add Polygon mainnet, then I need to add go early testnet, okay. So it's very simple. Here you can see go early test network. In case if this test network didn't show up here, what we need to do is just click on this show or hide, then just switch it on, then it will show up here, okay. Go early test network, just click on it, then it's done, okay. So now we successfully added our test network. So now we should have some go early ETH, okay. So we need to climb go early faucet. So for that only we're gonna use this website called goearlyfaucet.com, okay. So I'll leave this link also in that in my telegram channel. So I've already climbed, okay. So per day I guess in a single day I can only climb 0.1 go early ETH only. So I've already climbed. Here you can see it's very simple. You just need to copy your address and go inside this website and paste your address here, and then just click send me ETH. That's it. It's like very easy process, okay. So before that we have to sign up here, then only you can use their platform, okay. So sign up is very simple. Use your Google account and sign up, okay. So that simple it is. So and then send ETH from here to your wallet, okay. So I've already received it. So after you receive it, what you have to do is like you need to open this Galxe.com, okay. So this is where we're gonna be climbing our token, okay. So how to climb wrong network, I need to change my network, okay. So my network is Polygon. So once I changed into Polygon, here you can see set Twitter to participate. I'm just gonna click on that, and step one is like I need to click Twitter. So we have to do the tweeting thing. So I'm just gonna tweet it. So once you tweeted this one, you just need to copy the URL, okay. So just copy that and come back here and paste it here, okay. So that's it, like that simple it is, okay. So once you paste it here, then we need to verifying it through metamask, okay. So scroll down, we have to do the signing. So once you paste it here, then we have to sign it, then the Twitter account successfully verified, okay. So now we need to do it with the Discord, okay. So now just click on the Discord to participate. You need to have your Discord and everything ready with your laptop, okay. Join the Discord, okay. So I've already joined the Twitter, verified, it got successfully. Now I have to do the Discord. Okay, so now I have to verify and join. Here you can see verify. Just click on the verify, and I just need to tap on this number. Okay, so now I got successfully verified. Okay, I'm just gonna click submit. So now just click on the verify, then it will get verified. Okay, so it's very simple. Once these two process got done, and here you can see claim. Okay, so available number is 1, so I'm just gonna click claim. Okay, once I click claim, here you can see Zeta supporter is right now is getting claimed. Okay, so here you can clearly see the transaction is happening. Okay, so I'm claiming here, it already showing that I claimed. Okay, so successfully we claimed the NFT. Okay, so if you want to see, we can even open the Polygon network and check it. Okay, so here you can see it got success, they successfully sent it. Okay, so now what we have to do is like we successfully claimed. So now the second step. Okay, second step is guild. We need to become a guild member. Okay, so now we have to become a guild member. For that, just connect your wallet. Okay, MetaMask, just select your MetaMask. So we just need to connect our MetaMask. Just click next, and then just click connect, and our MetaMask will be getting connected with this website. Okay, so now we need to verify the account. Okay, so just click verify. So it will be taking 1-2 minute process only. Okay, so just click verify and do the verification. So this verification is for the to verify that you are the owner of this account. That's why they are asking us to verify. Okay, so we just need to wait for a while, and that's it. It will get verified. Okay, so now here you can see it got verified, and we already did this. Okay, so we connected our Ethereum wallet successfully and it got done. And the next thing is we just participated in the campaign. Okay, so what we did here, no, that's what it is, and we did that. Okay, so now we have the access. And the third step, okay, so this is the third step. That's what we are going to do here. Now we need to participate in the Omi chain Zeta swap Galxe. Okay, so this is what we have to do now. So it's very simple. So now we have to use ZetaChain. Okay, so this is a swap. I'll leave this link in the description. Open my Telegram channel, there you can find this link. Okay, so we need to connect our wallet. Okay, it's just click connect. It will take a minute to connect. It's very simple only. Just click connect. Okay, then it will get connected with this platform. So we need to change the network also. Okay, so I'm just switching the network into Galxe, which is like test network. So before that, if you want, you can even get a Zeta token. Okay, so through something you can request for it. Okay, use at least 3 Zeta for each transaction. May take up to 10 minutes to process due to the network congestion. Okay, so if you want, you can actually request for it. Okay, request for assets, and then they will be sending. I've requested and I got 2 Zeta. Okay, so now try swapping. Okay, once the swap got opened, the first thing we need to select the token. Okay, just choose this Galxe and just select the network. Okay, BSC network, and choose Zeta. Okay, so we're gonna receive, and I'm gonna transfer it for 0.11 Go Ethereum. Okay, Galxe. So actually Galxe, so actually it's showing insufficient fund, but I've already done the transaction. If you click transaction now, it will show up. So we have to wait until this things get over. Okay, so it will take quite a lot of time. We just need to wait. Okay, so in between what you can do is just take a screenshot of this thing. Okay, then we need to share it in their Discord server. Okay, so just take a screenshot of it. Just click Windows plus print. Okay, then it will take a screenshot of this thing and go inside their platform. Okay, so this is their platform. If you scroll down here, you will be able to find testnet feedback. Okay, so here just paste the pic. Okay, whatever pic you took there, screenshot you took there, just upload it here and say some good things about the project, and done with it. Okay, so once that thing got done, and if you open this thing, okay, so this is the site which we were doing a guild. So if you open that, here you can see another link. Okay, if you just tap on the link, these are the things you have to do after this thing got completed. Okay, so I'm just showing you. So once you click on that, now we need to change it into Polygon network. Okay, so just click on it, so it will automatically switch it to Polygon network. Okay, so I'm just switching the network now. So now I've switched to my network, and here you can see available one NFT is there. Okay, so I'm just gonna claim it now. So it will load now. You will be able to see the transaction and all. So here you can see Omichain Zeta swap. So we just need to wait for a while and it will get done soon. Your NFT will show up in my NFTs page after about 30 seconds. It will show up there. Okay, so now we successfully claimed it. So, and if you just open this page now, and here we need to qualify to actually join the guild. Okay, and no access because we need to wait until this thing gets done. Okay, so once this thing got done, and we just need to come back here. Okay, so here, and then we just need to click the join the guild. So finally the swap got successful. Now you can see, now I have the access now. So now what I have to do is just click on the join guild to get roles. Okay, so I'm just gonna click the join, and it will tell you to connect a Discord. Okay, so you have to connect your Discord here. So now our Discord got connected successfully, so I'm just gonna join the guild. Okay, so once you join the guild, then you will become a guild member. So now you can see successfully joined the guild, and now we can go to the Discord server from here. Okay, so now we are a guild member in the ZetaChain. So now if you open their Discord, and now you'll be able to see on top of the people, you'll be able to see this ZetaChain. Okay, so that means they are the supporter of this Zeta thing. Okay, so here also you can see Zeta supporter, and just type your name and see whether you are also getting it or not. Okay, so like that you will be become a supporter also. Okay, so that's it guys in this video. So these are the whole process for participating in this airdrop, and try this one. And if you want me to make a airdrop like this testnet or mainnet airdrop, make sure to comment below, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video guys. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.